To be your older brother for this video because he's gonna tell you the shit that you need to hear. And if you are a full-time, part-time, or wannabe creator, this video is gonna help you in any stage of your content. I know I'm gonna be watching this of my future self because sometimes we all need to hear these lessons that are hard but very true. So the first lesson that your big bro is gonna teach you or teach my future self is perfectionism is just fear in disguise. So if you're constantly tweaking, trying to figure out the most perfect video, say the best thing, say it right there, and have the best setup and have the best everything and make everything perfect in a video, you are going to lose, and you're doing more hurtful tasks to yourself than actually just stop being a little bitch and just do the work and put in the work and create the idea, create the content, and post the damn video. Stop procrastinating, because you're gonna be beat by the guy that just doesn't give a fuck about how he talks, what he looks like on camera, and how he does things. He's just gonna do it his way, and he's gonna post his content without any judgment and without any perfection. So stop worrying about the perfect video and just post the damn thing. So the second lesson your big bro is gonna teach you, I got you, man, is the harsh truth is no one cares as much as you think they do. So I actually kind of struggled this with the beginning of my journey, but every single time I would post a video, I would look at it and analyze it and see every single thing that was corny or didn't work at all. And then I thought, well, if I see this, other people are doing, and then it made me more scared of creating content and made me more scared of posting. And the truth is that no one really cares about every single little detail, because people just care about the value and the story you provide. They don't give a shit about the equipment really at all or how high quality your video is, because your overthinking is slowing you down, and done is better than perfect. So the third lesson that your big bro, Torsten, is gonna teach you is that your first 100 videos are going to suck ass. They just are. Why do you think that they're going to be good in the first place? If you've never created content, or if you've been even creating content for a while, you know the hard truth about creating content, and it's not as easy as you think. So make sure that you are in the mindset of, hey, maybe I didn't do that great this time, but as long as you are constantly trying to improve each and every single time, you will get to an extremely good level, even all the way to level like Mr. Beast if you are in the entertainment content realm. I mean, if you even go look at my videos, you can see from my first video I posted to now, there is a humongous difference. And I just crossed, I think, almost 200 videos, or it will be very soon. So just stop trying to make perfect videos, stop procrastinating, and just start making videos and improve each and every single time.